some lewdness, some standby and so on. But you don't have treble and bass. So because you have an equalizer on that here, this equalizer receives a modulated voltage coming from the potentiometer. It amplifies the signal with this op amp according equalizing on this PCB. So if you want, maybe if you want to pick up the signal coming from the equalizer before attacking the power amp circuitry, maybe you have to pick up the signal on this integrated circuit. And you can see here there is a hint of heat, and this is this one. This one seems to be a very bad shape, but despite the bad shape on it, it's still good with the LCR tester. So I think I will replace it despite the fact that it's still good, because it has a very bad shape. I already made some voltage control on this IC, and it has 15 on one positive entry and minus 15 on the other, corresponding to the ground of this capacitor. If you took a measurement between the positive and the negative of this integrated circuit, you will find 30 volts. And you can see here that the VCC is the 8 and the GND is 4. So 4 and 8. And output are 1 and 7. But here we are going to see about voltage on 8 and 4. But this one is for non-symmetrical application. So we will find on the chip on this PCB a negative here and the positive here according to the ground. I have here the minus on this capacitor's leg, and see how much I have on this, on the 8. And we have 14, 15. And if I take measurement here, okay, between 4 and 8 we will find 30 volts, and we have 15. And between 4 and 8 we have 30 volts on this IC. So I need to resolder the capacitor and fix some wire on those leads and try to recover a signal coming from the equalizer. Okay, and this is the bed-shaped capacitor, 100 microfarad, less than 100, and 500 milliohm. I will change it with this one, which is 200 microfarad. 200 microfarad, 200 milliohm. Normally, if I'm not wrong, we will have on each wire here the right and left channel according to the ground. So I will use this little Class D amplifier to test this output. So we will do it slowly but surely, okay? So you can see here we are measuring the offset voltage of the IC, and you can see there is 9 volts one output and the other is about 8 volts. 8 volt and 9 volt offset, which is not good, because those voltage means that the IC, the op amp, is dead, because you will have on the kind of IC, dead IC, you will have a return current to the entry, and they go back and destroy the IC and other components working with this IC. Also it destroy and it makes very hot a capacitor which I changed just earlier. It was not so easy to change those IC because they send 8 voltage on the preamp section, so it destroyed the preamp section of the amplifier. So replacing those IC was absolutely not enough. This is LM358, and I'm going to replace the bad IC on the circuit the best I can and try if it changed something. As you can see, the LM358 has the same connection than the N5662. They have the same connection. this LM358 is very good, so I will replace it with this one and see how it reacts. The ST-8050 is a very special integrated circuit because it has some device for the equalizing process and the tone control amplifier. So this is the reason why without the amp, the tone control amplifier and the equalizer amplifier, the equalizer section of this amp cannot work, because this is a retroaction to make this tone and equalizer working. So as I tell you earlier, the IC make important damage on the backstep area, because they on the inputs 16 and 14 they provide very high voltage coming from VCC, so damage something, and it's not possible. Even if you place this IC, it's not possible to repair something. Normally, this is the basic. You don't have to find the VCC on this 16 input and the equivalent of the input. That means that a lot of components here are short-circuited. So I'm going to do very simple and just connect the new amplifier to the potentiometer and make like that, because this amp is a very nice amp and it's pain in the neck to lose this fight with this amp, but there is a lot of damage on the preamp section. Fortunately, I didn't buy another STK because it didn't solve the problem. It will not solve the problem if I did.
Tout à fait. Cet exemple-là montre bien que la recherche... Êtes-vous un de mes amis imaginaires? Non. N'êtes-vous pas un peu trop vieille pour... Pourquoi êtes-vous maquillée? J'étais en train de me passer le visage au fond de teint pour me donner meilleure mine. Je viens du rayon Macy's, où j'ai piqué quelques nouveautés de la collection d'automne.
This is the screwdriver, and there is here a 38 volt going from this board and going through this preamp. This preamp is the amplification for the antenna, AM MW antenna, and I'm searching for a long time why there is so much noise on this amp when you switch the radio. And actually there is always noise, but less, because I put this little capacitor on the 38 volt here, and the sound system is less noisy. It's more stable now. If I switch here, we have the MP3 player. The display is very nice.
On pourrait avoir des rémunérations équitables, toutes choses égales de compétences, parce qu'évidemment, ici, on a souvent des métiers qui sont que féminins. Donc...